Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a sign up form for your Shopify store using Klaviyo step by step. If you want to grow your email list and boost sales, this is the tutorial for you. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your Shopify store is properly connected to Klaviyo. So go to Shopify, then open the first link, then click login. Once you are in, then select a plan, or go back to Shopify store, then Shopify. Enter your credentials like email address and password, then start free trial for this tutorial, then skip for now. Enter password here, then click login. Now go to Klaviyo dashboard, then log into your account. Enter your credentials like that. Then I'm not robot, then login. Now go to your email inbox and copy the code from Klaviyo. Then don't ask me again for this device, then click login. Once you are in, click integration on the left menu. Search for Shopify like that. I have already connected this app. You can search here like Shopify. Or click explore integration, then search here like Shopify. Now that's it. Then click on it. Then click connect. Install the Klaviyo app on your Shopify store. If you haven't already, go to Shopify admin dashboard, click add app. Then scroll down and click Shopify app store. Now search for Klaviyo like that, email marketing or SMS, then click install. Make sure you sync customer profiles and email opt-ins automatically. Once you are connected in the Klaviyo dashboard, click on Sign Up Forms. From the left sidebar, then click Get Started or choose one from the template section like that. You can search for here, search for pop-up or fly out like that. Click on form, then scroll down and select list, email list or preview list, then click create form. For most Shopify stores, pop-up works best to grab attention, but uh, for this tutorial, I will show you fly out. Now it's time to customize your form. Headline, example, get 10% off your first order for pop-ups. Fields usually just email. And maybe first name. Button text, example, get my discount. Image, add your brand, logo, or a product image. Just click custom layout and choose the color of background from here. Klaviyo drag and drops editor makes this super easy. Just click and edit. Next, decide when and where the form appears. Show after a few seconds. Show on exit, indent. Show only on certain pages. Exit, indent. Intent. Pop-ups work really well to recover leaving visitors. When you are happy with the design and settings, click publish. You can add text from here. Then click live or draft for now. Then click publish. Finish the SMS. Set up SMS. Then click next. Choose country name. Then enter phone number and information, company information. Now your visitor will start seeing your sign up form and you will start collecting emails. And that's it. You now know exactly how to create a sign up form in Klaviyo for your Shopify. Just connect Shopify to Klaviyo, and once connected, just open Klaviyo dashboard and click create forms and choose a form from template. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.